I'm Aurora, and today I'll be doing a surviving thing on the Amazon Rainforest. And here's the things that you'll need to survive. 1. Food. And you'll need a knife to cut fruit. 2. Water. You'll need a metal bottle, and you have to boil the water. And speaking of boil it, you'll need matches. 3. Shelter. You'll need rope to make a hut or like a tent or something like that, or rocks. And 4, the most important one to me, Bun Bun. That's Bun Bun. Bye. Thank you.